Welcome to Seated Tai Chi for Recovery. This routine will help you gently improve circulation, restore movement, and bring a sense of calm to your body and mind as you heal. We'll begin with the hands at the lower abdomen and taking a few deep breaths in and out, whichever way feels best for you, or you can do the belly breath. So as you breathe in, the belly expands. As you breathe out, the belly returns towards the spine. Breathing in and breathing out, coming into the present moment, arriving in the body, letting go of the worries from the day, coming into the here and now. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment, and then let it out with a big sigh, just letting out tension and stress. The hands float down, they brush past the thighs, they circle in front as if you're gathering an energy, bring it into the heart, and send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing back down. One more time, sink the chi. This time the arms float out to the sides. And the arms float down, the palms face up. They float right up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, and then floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, rise up. Breathing out, floating down, nice and easy, nice and slow, feeling all the sensations that you can, bringing mindfulness to the body. All right, this time the hands float out in front, they draw in towards the heart. Then if you like, you can step the foot out and then push right out to the corner. Breathing in as you draw in, breathing out as you push, pushing the mountain. Sometimes called. One more time. This time the palms face towards each other, hands go back out to the corner, palms face away from each other, they circle out and around, scooping under, and then back out to the corner, parting the clouds. Breathing in, feel like you can lift the toes as you come back. Breathing out. One more time, parting the clouds. And then step the front foot back in, the hands come back towards the heart. Then you can shift the weight, step to the other corner as you push. Breathing in, breathing out. You can keep the toe down or you can lift it up as you shift the weight back. One more time, the push. And then step the front foot back in, round out the arms as if you're hugging a big tree, and then soften. From here, the arms open up wide. This hand scoops under, catch the moon. And then step the foot back out to the corner. The bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky, the other hand pushes down. Circle it back around, parting the wild horse's mane. As always, don't worry about getting it perfect. Just keep on moving. All right, this time the bottom hand scoops under, the wrists cross up top, the hands float down, circle out and around, and then back up top. The princess on the mountaintop. Breathing in as you open, breathing out, coming back up into the clouds. One more time. And then step the foot back in, hug the tree, soften, the arms open up wide. Then this hand scoops under, step the foot out to the corner, bottom hand tosses the moon, the other hand pushes down, parting the horse's mane, creating tranquility out of chaos. You can keep the toe down or you can lift it as you shift back. One more time, parting the horse's mane. This time the bottom hand scoops up, the wrists cross up top. The hands float down as you circle out and around, open, back up top. The princess on the mountaintop. Breathing in, breathing out, or taking as many breaths as you need, as long as you're breathing. It's my only rule. So one more time. Then step the front foot back in, round out, hug the tree. From here, the arms open up wide. This hand here drops down and drifts over to the other side. The hands switch positions, Then they float across like clouds in the sky. When you get to the corner, the hands switch again. Wave hands like clouds, softening the shoulders, softening the neck, breathing in and breathing out. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time. This time the top hand makes a hook. The bottom hand comes up. The bottom hand floats right across the horizon. The palm turns out, shoulders soften. Circle it around again, single whip. You can keep your foot just as it is, or this time if you want, you can step out to the corner as the hand floats across. One more time, single whip. And then step the foot back in, release the hook, the hand drifts over, the hands become clouds. Once again, drifting across as we connect with nature, learning to move with effortless ease, at least eventually. At first it might take some effort. And then from here, the top hand makes a hook, the bottom hand comes up, the bottom hand floats across, palm turns out, shoulders soften. Circle it around again. Single whip. You can keep going just like that, or this time if you want, you can step the foot out to the corner as the hand floats across. Breathing in, lifting the toes, breathing out, single whip. Then step the foot back in, release the hook as it drifts over. The hands become clouds. Once again, like a moving meditation, drifting across, letting go of any tension you don't need. We'll continue to wave hands like clouds a few more times, just like a moving meditation. Letting go. One more time, cloud hands. And then hug the tree, bring it back to center, rounding out, soften. From here, the hands turn. The bottom hand drops down, then toss away. The hand waves in, and then press forward, palm over palm. The other hand tosses away. The hand folds in. Press forward right towards me, repulsing the monkey, calming the monkey mind, creating focus and clarity. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time, toss it away, the other hand on top, and then softening down. This hand pushes down, the other hand waves in, rising up, softening down. One more time. This time, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, the other hand pushes to the corner. And then circle it around, bottom hand comes all the way up and over, coming back to the beginning, brush knee, and push. You can keep going just like that, or if you want, this time you can step the foot out to the corner as well. Lifting the toes as you come back. One more time, brush knee, push. This time, the bottom hand scoops up, the palms face up towards the sky, the hands draw in. As you circle out and around, the backs of the hands face each other, palms spiral back up. The mama bear gathers her cubs. Circle it around, feeling the sensations, really going for the ride. One more time. Then step the foot back in, the hands come in, and then circle around and hug the tree once again, soften. And then from here, this hand drops down, toss away, other hand on top. And then this hand here pushes down, the other hand waves in. Breathing. Letting go. Pushing down and waving in one more time. This time, as you push down, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, the other hand pushes to the corner. Top hand floats down, bottom hand circles up, coming back to the beginning, weaving it all together. Brush knee and push. Circle it around. This time, if you want, you can step the foot out to the corner as well. One more time, lifting the toes, coming back, if you like. Brush knee and push. And then from here, the bottom hand scoops up, palms face up. Draw the hands in. As you circle out and around, the backs of the hands face each other, and then spiral the palms back up. The mama bear gathers her cubs. Circle it around. Really feeling the sensations. How mindful can you be? One more time. And then step the foot back in, circle the hands in front, hug the tree, and soften. From here, the arms open up wide. This hand here scoops under. Once again, catch the moon. And then from here, the bottom hand comes up, the arm comes parallel with the earth, the other hand pushes down. And circle it back around, warding off. Right out to the corner, expanding, releasing the energy. One more time, ward off. This time the bottom hand scoops under, the fingertips slide down. Then circle it back around, roll back. Receiving the energy, and then giving it back. One more time, roll back, and then toss it away. The arms float up, the hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, and shift the weight forward as you press. Slide down, toss away, fold it in, press. One more time, the press. This time the hands separate. Draw the hands in towards the heart, and push back out. Push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the push. And then from here, the hands float across the horizon. You're wiping the slate clean. Scoop under, catch the moon. Other side, bottom arm comes up until it's parallel with the earth. The other hand comes down. Circle it back, warding off. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time the bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down. Circle it back around, roll back. Receiving, or sometimes called yielding. Going with the flow. One more time. This time toss it away. The arm folds in, pressing palm to palm. Shift the weight forward as you press. Slide down, toss away. Press forward, nice and soft. One more time. Press. From here, the hands separate. Draw them in towards the heart. Push back out. Breathing in. Breathing out. One more time, just like the ocean. The tide rolls in, the tide rolls out. And then sit back. This time the hand wipes across the horizon. Scoop under, catch the moon. If you want, you can step the foot out to the corner. We'll do each movement one time, grasping the bird's tail. Ward off. Roll back. Toss away. Press. Release. Draw in. And push. Then step the front foot back in. The hand wipes right across the horizon. Scoops under. Step the other foot out to the corner, if you like. Ward off. Roll back. Toss away. Press. Release. Draw in. And push. Beautiful. All right, this time step the foot in, hug the tree, rounding out, soften. The arms open up wide. The hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And this hand here floats all the way up and over. And then down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Creating focus and clarity, calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both arms float all the way up and over just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist and then circle in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, scooping under, coming back up to the heart and then down, One more time, opening the heart. The arms float up, the arms float down. This time, make a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. Then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen, just taking a moment to feel into the body, noticing the sensations. Feel the body breathing. Then you can bring your attention into your heart, expressing gratitude to yourself, practicing today. And if your eyes were closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart. We can finish with a bow. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you did, this class is part of our free monthly clickable calendar program. Just click the link below to get your free monthly clickable calendar. Thank you so much, and I look forward to having you in class again real soon. Peace.